is the trailer park. None of them stood a chance at any of this. Lots of helicopters, police, thank goodness. This is the trailer park. It's just everything. It's my stepdad Kenny in front of us, taking some of my grandmother's stuff to Montevallo. And once again, one trailer is left at that trailer park. Coming up on the old Barksdale house. This is the boat house, which is no longer there, which were probably 50 boats out front, which no one knows where they're at now. As I have asbestos in my lungs. We are right off of Crescent Ridge Road on Keene Drive now. We left Elm Drive where my grandmother lives, and my aunt and uncle live on this road where they lost everything. That's the old Barksdale house straight ahead. Nothing's left. Tornado came directly through here. And it looks very much like Katrina, with the exception of the stench, the looting, and the heat. Thank God we have a breeze. This is still part of the trailer park. And there is nothing. It's obliterated. This is where I grew up, running around the block, riding around the block. It's taken us about 15-20 minutes to get out of the neighborhood from all of the cars and such. But there's nothing left at this neighborhood, nothing. This is Keene Drive. Oh my goodness, you can see all the way to the Lucky Dollar from there. No trees. This was all trees, all houses. News crews. And right here is my aunt and uncle's house. They thankfully made it to the storm pit. Lost a car. And we're about to come out on Crescent Ridge Road now. All these were houses. That lady had a lot of animals. Everyone's just trying to get their shit and get out. Brown's nursery is that way. It is gone. People are having to direct traffic because we can't get this auto detailing place. Lots of volunteers have set up. There were houses all straight ahead of me and that are now gone. Nice people volunteering to direct traffic. And you can, as far as I can see, no trees. And that used to be a heavily wooded area. This road was in between dozens and dozens and dozens of houses that are gone. A low income area, which is very sad. It's cute. And down below there, nothing but obliterated trees, twisted. News crews. Lots of volunteers, but also a lot of people that have no business being out here right now. We're heading towards Alberta City. We will not be going down Alberta City because I think it's blocked off and we're going in the opposite way, but it was also hit as heavy as this area was. The tornado came directly through here. Once again, lots of woods gone. Trailers standing crazy. Lots of traffic, but people are being very patient. Special thanks to my family for helping my grandparents, with the exception of my aunt and cousin who didn't do jack shit today. Here's the water tower way up there. Pretty much everything this side of the water tower is gone. And Roadie. Past the Lucky Dollar, I missed it, but that was a place where you used to buy alcohol and cigarettes when you were underage. It is gone. Got gas, that's good. Lots and lots of power trucks. That trailer was just kicked over. Oh. Got to get out of here soon because I have really got to pee.